I find it easier to write creatively rather than write research-based papers. This shows in my introduction speech where I compare my life to an ocean. In this speech, I am able to easily relate parts of my life to the ocean's characteristics. My strength in this speech was my personal connection to the overall topic itself. I was able to speak freely with confidence. As a speaker, I have a hard time portraying my speeches in a timely manner. I tend to rush my words, and then when I realize what I'm doing, I speak too slowly. Another thing I struggle with is memorizing my speech. This would normally pose as a problem for most people. Speeches can be long, and remembering the words can be quite difficult. Although with practice, it can be done. In my commemorative speech, I discuss some of the great things that the American Red Cross does. In this speech, I lacked in research. While it was easy to find research, I wasn't quite sure which topics I should discuss. Once I figured out which topics to discuss, I had to find a way to organize them. After organizing them, the speech gets done quite quickly. Between the two speeches, I noticed a big difference in the way I discussed the topics. It became easier to formulate a speech in ways that an audience would understand. My introduction speech wasn't so difficult because I didn't have to search for any type of information to put in it or do a lot of organizing. Overall, I think that while there are many things to be worked on, I portrayed my speeches well. I worked very hard to keep my speeches organized. I also made sure that my audience understood each and every topic I have discussed. Although I have weaknesses, my strengths outnumber those for sure.